Hi, have you seen Canva's new animated social media options to create content that moves and just looks really cool? I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look and a bit of a how-to step-by-step. So this is the behind the curtain type look, and make that bigger as well. And let's content creations with myself, Patricia Regier. And this is going to be made with Canva next steps. So this is designing. This is a pro account, and you can design so many great things with Canva. I really love all the possibilities. Now, this is the new animated social media. Again, this is a pro account that I'm using. This is not a paid video. So it might vary with the free account, but it's great to start with the free account and explore what you can create. So some of the options that I've created here recently, and we'll just take a look. So if you click this animated social media, you're able to then get to a, make myself smaller here. So you get to this blank canvas and you can basically pick from a lot of templates, which is fantastic. So this is one I've used recently, and if you have an uploaded picture or you want to pick from the pictures that Canva provides, you can do workplace learning. And then you can always click the free so that you make sure that you're not using content you're not supposed to. So if you grab a picture and put it in here, and what you can do is crop as well. So if you want to do that, if you want to change the background picture to something else, and then change Create with Canva. This is fantastic. And what I'm going to show you a couple other options as well, but you can download it as a video. Now that might be just, some of these are pro options, but like the animated GIF or movie is a pro level option. The beta video MP4 might be available for free accounts. I'm not sure about that. But if you have a pro account, definitely check this out. Now, what you can also do is check different elements. And what's really helpful, if you're wondering of the different things that move, you can look up stickers. So there's some great things here too. So if you didn't want the hello, you can pick any number of these. Let's just see here what we want to pick. So instead of the hello, let's put new post, and you can tilt that. And you can also make it smaller to fit. New post, create with Canva, for example. Now, some of these you can't change the picture. If you were able to, that would come up here. And you can see, so different arrows, you can do that as well. That's not giving me option to change the picture either, but you can adjust the size and rotation, which is so much fun. Then you might, if you're having too much of one color, you can change around the picture or the background color, and with different elements as well. Oh, that's the stickers. You can also, so that's the stickers move, and you can also see some of these gradient. That can add some splashes of color as well. So if you liked that instead of the circle blotches, if you wanted that removed and you wanted this instead, and you can change the color of those, and maybe you want a totally different color. Well, yellow works there as well. And then you might want all of them to be like a yellow color. And then you can change the position as well for going backwards a little bit if you want the dots to show up. And then of course you could change those dots as well. Change the dots color to something brighter. And then if you don't want them to be the same sort of direction, you again can flip them around. And if you don't like something, you can always go backwards as well. So, and then you can make that bold, change the font, and make that brighter and bigger as well. So you can play around and see what works for you. And that's the great thing with Canva. You can really play with it, get creative. So there's all these different elements that give you options. You can click that free. So depending on if you have a free account or even at the pro account, I still pick that free. And you can pick from any kinds of different illustrations, icons, social media, pictures, clip art, and you can also pick something else. If you want a person's face, you can just happy workplace, that you can get creative. And it will replace it. And it's about as easy as making a cup of tea just by playing around. So you just have to click the picture if you want to replace it. There we go. And then go back to crop, and you can adjust that. There we go. Great. With Canva, you can change that picture as well. And then you can create that font in white or black. And you've got a great option. And then once you're satisfied, again, if you wanted to change that to be a little bit bolder, or it's too busy, take some things away, but then when you're ready, you would download either in video or the animation option as well. But downloading in a video is fantastic as well. And that's a great option I'll stop share right now. That's a great option for downloading and then uploading to Instagram or Facebook, even Twitter, any of the social media platforms. And you'll have to double check for permissions to use it within other context, but it's possible to upload that sort of video within a YouTube video as well. So that's just a little behind the scenes look at the fantastic animated options with Canva. Love the creation of solutions for whether it's your workplace, your training resources for employees, for volunteers. Could be that you're a speaker and you just want to add some creative elements to what kind of information you're getting out there. And Canva's a great solution. Check out those animated options for social media. And until next time, my name is Patricia Regier.